Morning to all of you. This is Ranveer sir, the Faculty of English. Today we are here to discuss about what kind of frustration we have got in our life. A lot of students who are sitting in this classroom and they are going to point in this topic. So please put your point, Preeti.
Have a very nice good morning to all of you. I am Preeti. Today we gather here to discuss about what type of frustration boys or girls have got in their lives. Each and everyone has frustration in their life. I am also frustrated in that time when I am not speak English very well. That time I am frustrated. Boys are also frustrated in their life like career, business or anything else. That's all. Thank you.
Why you have got frustration in English especially? Just you have spoken that you have got frustration in English. Why you have got frustration?
Because I have not learned English very well, so I am frustrated that time.
So do you do practice at your home?
Yes,
Every day, yeah, you're busy some other works.
every day.
Okay. Next, please.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. A very good morning to all of you. Today, the debate discussion topic is what type of frustration boys or girls have got in their life. There are many frustration that boys and girls have got in their life, like many family frustration, like financial problems that who not get their opportunity in their lives, job frustration, in and boys have lot of frustration, like they have not success in their life, and they have, whenever they fail in their love, they got frustrated. Girls have frustration only about their family, that the family not give the opportunity to them to go out and work, and they can marry with someone who don't like. That's all. Thank you.
And just a lot of boys who have got frustration, they are not successful in their life.
Yes, sir.
So why they are not successful in their life?
Sir, in competition there are a lot of competition, and uh, that's why they not get opportunity.
But there are many boys who have got successful career in their life, and they are examples of our country.
Sir, they are exceptionals, and
All exceptions.
sir, and they do their best in their life, and
If
in
they
now
do their best in their life, they
many
can be
students.
successful,
Yes, sir, of course.
but they are not successful.
Sir, whenever I can do my best in their life, I can successful in my life.
Thank you.
A very pleasant good morning to all of you. I'm Chansal, and today I'm here to discuss on the topic of what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. First of all, in my life, and I am a girl, I have got lots of problem because of I am a girl, and always people say you are girls, and they always stop me. And also we have got frustration because of career, family and financial problem also. That's all. Thank you.
What is your good name?
My name is Chansal.
And what is your qualification?
My qualification I am is intermediate
Science, arts, commerce.
science.
When you got result of ISC, that time you got frustration.
Yes,
Why you got frustration?
because of below marks.
Because of low marks, you got a low marks. It was your fault, your board fault.
It was my fault.
So because of that result, you got frustration.
Yeah.
And have you got any frustration in your life because of families, or because of others? You have got frustration?
No,
No. So what type of frustration you have got personally?
because of I'm a girl.
You are a girl, so you have got frustration.
Yes.
You should be a boy.
Yes, sir.
You want you be a boy, not a girl.
Yes, sir.
That is your frustration.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next, please.
Good morning, sir. I am Saurabh Kumar Gupta, and the topic is what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. So, in boys' life, we got many types of frustration. So first, family pressure, job, success, career, society, girlfriend, marriage, life partner, and etc. Uh, and in girls' life, she has also got much type of frustration. Thank you, sir.
Boys have got a lot of frustration. Successful career, society, family, and others.
Yeah,
Boyfriend, girlfriend. Girlfriend is a frustration.
yeah, for singles. कि,
I mean, there are many boys who are single, and because of that reason they have got frustration.
yes, sir.
So because of girl they are frustration, and because of other reason they have got frustration.
Sir? So can,
Lot of boys they have got girlfriend in their lives, but they do not have. Again, they have got frustration. Frustration to recharge the mobile, to present some gift, and others.
sir, I'm sir say for singles because singles.
So everyone has got girlfriend, everyone has got boyfriend in his and her life. So again, why they have got frustration in their life?
Because of money,
Because of
job.
it means when you have got successful career, so after be successful, that time girlfriend is required or wife is required to be happy in life.
Wife.
So right now, have you got any frustration in your career, in your life?
Yeah.
What type of frustration you have got?
College pressure.
College
Pressure.
that is got frustration.
Yeah.
So why have you got admission if you got the college pressure?
So because college provides us only a online class, and I don't understand the online class, so I got
So
the
you have
many
the frustration of
Yeah.
online classes or college classes?
online classes.
So why
Because
you
I-
blame the college? It's
Because-
the processes.
Because sir, many of colleges are open, but my college don't open.
Thank you. Next, please.
Good morning, everyone. I am Aryan. Today there is the group discussion in our batch, and the caption is what type of frustration boys or girls have got in their life. According to me, in today's generation, one type of frustration is on trend that many boys or girls have their crush, but they can't get him or her or impress her. So that's why it is one of the famous type of frustration which boys or girls have got in their life. And second type of frustration is that they can't get what they imagine or supposed to get in their life. And this causes frustration to boys or girls that they can't get or achieve that.
Okay. Boys and girls have got frustration.
Yeah,
Okay, it is curse.
because of crush. Yeah.
Because of curse. So why they have got this kind of word in their career?
Because in today's generation, these things are on trend.
Okay. It means every boy should have girlfriend in their
And
life.
yeah,
Every girl should have boyfriend in their lives.
yes sir,
It is a trending news.
yes sir,
You should not be single.
yeah,
You should be mingle.
yeah.
Okay. I should have a girlfriend in my life.
It depends on you.
Why?
Everyone has his own thinking.
But I'm married. Should I have a girlfriend in my life? I have got.
I told that
girlfriend in my life.
it depends on you. It's your thinking that in marriage life you want a girlfriend or not.
Every boys and girls have got frustration in his and her life because of girlfriend and boyfriends.
According to me, yeah.
Okay, when any boy who has got girlfriend in their life, in his life, they can make their career because they do not have headache and frustration of girlfriend. They have
And second
big
type of
headache.
frustration, I mentioned that they can't get what they imagine or supposed to get in their life. That cause also
Everyone,
get
whatever suppose they could not get. I want to be like
And
Amita
they-
Bani in case of-
yeah, and this causes frustration in their life. But
I
everyone,
have the frustration to be billionaire.
Yeah.
It's impossible to be.
but you got frustration because of that thinking or that imagination that I also become a millionaire or billionaire.
So I got frustration of money.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
thank you.
Next, please.
Good morning to all of you. I am Subham. Today there is group discussion in our batch. So our topic is what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. According to me, boys have a lot of frustration in their life. Many boys have frustration why they did not get succeed in their life. According to me, frustration is when I try to do something and I am not achieved it. It is called frustration. and I'm trying to persuade any boys and girls, and they did not understand me, then I'm frustrated. Frustration is a thing which any times comes in life of boys and girls. When anyone wants to tease and insult me, then I am frustrated. And one type of frustration is marriage. If anyone don't want to marry with that guy that he she don't like, and forcefully they get married, it is one of the most famous frustration in today's generation.
Have got any frustration in your life right now in this age? Have you got any frustration? Just we have spoken that every girls, every boys have got frustration. Same thing, whatever he has spoken.
Yeah.
It is the main cause not get successful in life.
Yeah.
Girlfriend and boyfriend.
G. Yes.
And that's why boys who are not successful in their life. Frustration of girlfriend or frustration of ... Well, lot of boys have got girlfriend in their life.
Yes.
There is a single reason which Kunal do not have. He does not have. So same thing. This is the reason to have frustration.
No. No.
Why we have got girlfriend in our life?
To enjoy our life.
To enjoy?
Our life.
To enjoy life, we should have a girlfriend.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Rosni. Today we are gathered here to discuss about what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. There are many type of frustration in my life, like how to improve my English and my family what expect from me, but I don't give them, and I want that no one sad because of me.
Means you want to give something to your family members.
Yes.
Whatever they expect from you, but you are not able to give them. It is your frustration, it is your mistake, you are not able to give it.
It is my mistake.
So you are trying to reduce this, sort it out. Yeah, again you are failure, you are not able to sort it out.
Yes.
You try to sort it out.
Yes.
Thank you. Next.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Sweetie, and today we are gathered here to discuss about what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their lives. I don't know what type of frustration boys have got, but there are many types of frustration in my life, like how to give lots of happiness to my mom, and second, I am confused that which type of job I should, which can change my future and my lifestyle and my family lifestyle. And last, I am also frustrated how to improve my all subject which is helpful for my education. That's all. Thank you.
You are frustrated because of subject.
Yes,
And why you have got frustration?
because I'm not able to improve my all subjects.
You are not able to, your teachers who are not giving you 100%, that's why you are not successful.
Also teachers' faults and my faults both.
Okay, and you want to give something to your parents.
Yes.
What kind of things you want to give your parents? Just we have spoken that happiness.
Yes.
Okay. So in which way you will give happiness to your parents?
All way.
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Chintu Kumar. Today, discuss about my topic is what type of frustration boys or girls have got in their life. My many types of frustration. First, out of our high 10 rupees, that is called frustration. Life frustration have happy outside think every day. 12th examination result, geography subject frustration, family pressure, job frustration, English learn frustration. That's all. Thank you.
What is your good name?
Chintu.
Village name?
Chintu.
Village name?
Jaiwat.
Jaiwat. What is your qualification?
12th.
12th. Have got any frustration?
Yes. Yes.
What type of frustration or what you have got frustration?
12th subject is geography frustration.
And means your subject does not go well, that's why you got frustrated.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friend. I am Mukesh Kumar. Our topic is what type of frustration our life girl and boy. Because boy is the many life of frustration, just like job, second money, family, and fake a smile, sister marriage, etc. Um, and my first suggestion is 12th board is the not is the good proper economic subject. So my first suggestion and first suggestion is the not is the human life is the part of life, but people is the people higher is the thinking soch, so himself and guilty. Thank you, that's love.
Have you got any frustration?
Yes.
What?
Economics subject.
Did not go well.
Yes.
You got frustration.
Yes.
Means it is your fault, board fault, teacher's fault.
Teacher is not teaching the economics because
Okay, teacher did not teach you economics, that's why you did not learn regarding economics, so you got frustration, you did not answer well.
yes.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friend. I am Rahul Kumar. Today we are gathered here to discuss about what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. I think there are many type of frustration in their life, boys and girls. Like a student, he has got a frustration. Why doesn't he much knowledge? Like a businessman, he has got a frustration. Why doesn't he succeed in their life? And like a lover, he has got a frustration. Why does his duck diamond cheated him? So there is nothing but frustration in the world. According to me, due to technology, frustration are increasing in the world. That's all, and thanks a lot.
Okay. The boys and girls, they have got frustration. There is nothing but frustration in life. Have you got any frustration in your life?
No, I have no any frustration. Because when I have frustration, I will kill me. So I do not take frustration.
Once again?
I want to say that whenever I have any frustration, I will kill me. So I do not take any frustration. I will kill himself.
You will
So
kill
myself.
You will kill yourself.
Yeah.
You
So
will
I do
kill-
not
You
take.
will kill yourself, you will kill frustration.
I think myself. So I do not take frustration.
Good morning, sir. Hello, my dear friend. Their topic is what types of frustration boys or girls have get in their life. As like frustration is my life because I am give exam. I do not get a score. I have a frustration. That's all.
Okay, have you got any personal frustration? Your own frustration?
Sister marriage first frustration.
Okay, sisters man, you are frustrated because she is not getting married, that's why you get frustration.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next please.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. I am Rahul Kumar Roy, and today topic is what type of frustration boys and girls have got in their life. In this generation, many people have many problems. That's why they live in frustration. I have a lot of frustration, just because of in this world maybe 1600 religion. What now we born a new religion is called corruption. Corruption in India, just because when I am going government office, then their employee do not work properly and take only bribe, then do work that time. That's why I am very frustrated. I am weak in a math subject sometimes. I have not doing my math subject. That's why I am frustrated. Thank you.
A lot of government employees who are taking bribe.
Yes.
And without bribe, they do not do their work.
Yes, sir.
And when you go to any government office, you see they are not doing their job properly. And when you pay some extra amount, they do their work properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you see this type of incident in office, have you got any frustration?
Yes.
Do you like to do something else when you see this type of incident is happening in an office?
No, sir, because I have no any options.
You can slap, you can abuse him.
No, sir. I have no any option. I am doing this type of thing. That's I have get many problem. Faces many problem.
Then if you slap someone else, if
Yes,
you
sir.
abuse someone else, you will get a lot of problem.
That I am.
Okay, just we have spoken that your math is a weak subject. That's why you got frustration.
Yes, sir.
So math is your weak subject because of because of teachers. You do not focus on
Because
learning.
of me, sir, I am not reading properly. Because of me, sir, I am not reading properly, and that's why.
You got frustration. On
Yes, sir.
math. Next, please.
Good morning, sir, and all of you. I am Aditya Kumar, and today my discussion topic is what type of frustration boys or girls have get in their life. Frustration is the emotion of that occurs in situation where a person blocked from reach or disaster outcome. In this generation, every people had frustration. Someone has more and someone has less. In general way, I will do anything like learn any topic, family pressure, exam pressure, and so many things which I will do very better, but it was not completed. In this time, I am more and more frustrated. That's it.
Have you got any frustration in your life?
Yes, sir. More, both.
More.
Yes, sir.
Tell me one, two.
Just like in 2 or 3 months my SSC CHSL exam, but I will not prepare it.
It is your fault, your examination date fault.
This is my fault because I will not to do.
Because that's why you are frustrated.
Yes.
You do not complete your task. So, but examination is coming soon.
Yes.
That's why you have got frustration of examination's date.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. As you know that everyone has got frustration in his and her life. I have heard your point. A lot of boys who spoke that a lot of boys have got frustration because of girls. They are not busy in their life, and they do not have such a person to talk hello hi at the night. That's why they have got frustration in their life. A lot of students who have got frustration, they are failure to make their career, and you are frustrated. Just according to Aryan, lot of boys who have got frustration in their life, they are not busy in their life, because Rahul who has spoken that boys should have dug diamond in her life, they can be happy. But as I know that we should have only one frustration, how to look after our country, and how to look our family, how to look after our family members and career. As I know that if you have got bright career, you have got everything in your life. Just we have spoken that about the duck diamond, about the flame, about the girlfriend. As I know that you have seen some videos on TikTok, and there is a boy who was black, but he got the government job, and his duck diamond was so fair. So he was so happy because he got the bright career. Same thing, if you have got bright career in the field of business, in the field of government job, you can have everything. But after having a lot of money, again you have got frustration of family, wife, children. So as I know that we never ever try to solve it. Each and every time you have got frustration in your life. Just you have to face it and try to sort